Hey guys, welcome back to your Bass Lessons. In today's lesson video, I'll be teaching you how to play this Nigerian praise song. Very easy. Okay, there are some things I'll teach you, I'll guide you on how to play this. Very easy. So if you're interested, I recommend you to watch the video to the end so that you get every details of it. I also do private class lesson. If you're interested, you want to take your play to the next level, DM me on my WhatsApp. You see the link in the comment section below or in the description. Click on the link, it will take you straight to my WhatsApp. Okay, so guys, grab your bass and let's begin with the breakdown. This is a Nigerian song which many of you know, and you know in Ghana here, some of the ministers out here, you know, goes with this style, especially with the Ghanaian song. Okay, I will try to blend both of them. So now let's look at the song progression, and I will show you step by step how you can be able to fill in the groove, the bass line, not just to be playing it boring, how to fill them, how to play a lick, all those kind of stuff, just to spice it up. Okay, so if you're a beginner, you'll be able to play this. Let me begin with the progression. Starting. So when I call, I go when I knock. Ebenezer, Ebenezer. There are many ways people start on this. Ebenezer. You can start Ebenezer, Ebenezer. That's to the 5. Some people will start Ebenezer. I think this is the main song progression. That's the 6-5. Ebenezer, Ebenezer. So this is 4-5. So it depends on the way you and your crew will play it, and also how you groove with it. It doesn't matter whether your keyboardist is to play another progression. It is just the bass line. You groove with the progression and there you go. Okay, so now let me give you simple bass lines, then I give you simple fills to apply to the bass line. So when I call, I go when I knock. So when I call, da 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 da. You see, I didn't play the 5 because I'll be entering into the 1 in a sharp move. So I can do the 5, but I would have to do 5 2 5 1. So the progression goes like this. This is from scratch. Ebenezer, da da do so do. So re so do so do so re so. Now to the 4 progression. Fa do fa. Then if you don't want to play the 5, you can just do fa do fa. Then you go do so do. But if you play this bass line in the so, that's the 5 progression. You do fa do fa so re so do. Applying the same bass line to the Ebenezer. Ebenezer, Ebenezer, my son of help. See? So when I call, and when I knock. So it is in different ways. You get it? So the simple bass line you can apply to this progression. Do so do. So re so do so do, just like that. Fa do fa so re so do, or you do fa do fa, then you wait do so do. So now let me try to bring in a passing note that will take you from a progression to the next progression, so that it won't be that you are playing just like this. Okay, I'm starting. So when I call, I go when I knock. Let me show you how to play it. From 1 to 5, I'll be applying a technique to that bass line. Then do, ti, la, so, re, so. So this is what I'll do. Then I play my so here, because I'll be playing so, re, so, so. Do, ti, la, so, then re, so. But if you won't be that fast, you can just do do, ti, la, so, then so, so. Nobody's gonna catch you, okay? Or so da, ra, do, so, do, ti, la, so, re, so. You can do so, la, ti, do, so, do, da. You can do mi, re, do, fa. Okay, mi, you have your mi here, re, do, fa, or you can do mi, re, do, fa, so, re, so, do, so, do. You start again, just like that. Okay, so now let's move to the second progression. You are my son of hell. 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 Come on, everybody, put your... Very simple. Da, 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 da. Okay. If you find it difficult in starting with this bass line, just wait for the my solar, then do on the 2. Okay, so re, fa, so, 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 then do, fa, so, so, re, fa, so, 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 do, fa, so, so. Then you can, instead of you playing do, fa, so, 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 you can do re, so, la, so, 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 do, fa, so, 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 re, fa, so, so, do, so, la, so, 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 do, so, la, so, 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 re, fa, so, so, do, so, la, so, 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 or do, fa, so, re, fa, so, so, do, fa, so, so. You get it? So this is the bass line I can give to people that are starting to play. So now let me try and advance this bass line to people like the advanced players. Okay. So when I call, when I know, Ebenezer, Ebenezer, my son of hell. So when I call, and when I know. So let me teach you this bass line. So Ebenezer, hey. Do, so, do, la, ti, so. Then you play so, ti, so, so, do, la, ti, so. Then we go into the 4. Do, re, mi, re, do, fa, so, la, so, re, so, do, so, la, do, so, do, la, ti, so, do, re, mi, re, do, fa, Or you can do do, re, mi, do, so, fa. It depends. Fa, so, so, re, so, do. You can learn this. Fa, fa, so, so, re, so, do. Okay. Okay. When I come, dun, dun, dun. You can learn that. So, do, so, do, to the 5 progression. Re, ti, so, so, so. Do, so, do. Re, ti, so, so, so. Oh, you can do. Da, da, da. One, two, 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 one. Just like that. So you start on the 2 progression to the 1. Okay. So you slide with your pinky. That is 2, 2, 2. Then 2, 5, 5, 5, 5. Then do that same to the 1 progression. 1, 1, 1, 2, 5, 5. So just like that. Okay, and I did something here. Da 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 4 4 5 5 5 1. Da 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 4 4 5 5 5 1. 4 5 1 progression. Okay. Da da da. Okay. 4 6 3 5 2. Okay. 2 4 2, then 5 5 1 1 1. Just do it that way. Okay. Just like that. So I believe these are the few things you just need to learn. Okay, learning very, very well, and learn slowly, then try to increase your speed in learning it. Then you can start to apply to the song. Okay, I'll be seeing you guys in the next live lesson. Bye for now.